Hi guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another JOMSO Lehenga unboxing. It's actually sent to me because it's from their new collection. Let me start with the blouse fabric. They have given this beautiful yellow color blouse fabric. The fabric used here is Bengali silk, and this is the front of the blouse. The design comes near your shoulder, and they've given this beautiful golden thread work. And then they've given this again embroidery design. I'm not sure where it is going to come, because for the sleeves they have even included a Georgette fabric wherein you can get like a ruffle sleeve. Blouse they've given the same plain Bengali silk fabric. It's a little see-through, so you'll have to get a lining attached, and the finishing is very good. And they've included this piece of lace which has like a fox mirror. It's not a real mirror, it's just a plasticky mirror. Again, it looks of a very good quality. This is going to come somewhere near the neck area, so you can actually see the picture to know more about it. Now for the sleeve part, they've given this yellow colored Georgette fabric where you can get like ruffled sleeves if you want. They've included one latkan as well, which has like a beautiful tassel. Then there is diamonds over here, which is really nice, but I'm not sure where it is going to come. Coming to the skirt comes in this white color, and the waist part is just simple. They have given like a very light pleating, which is really nice. And then there is like a white thread sequence work. If my camera is not focusing, yes, I'm sure my camera is not focusing, so I'm going to give a closer picture of this. The sequence work is very nice, very well made, and there is like a different design on every step, so I'm going to give the close-up picture of that as well. Very neatly made. The thread also looks like of a very good quality. And to the bottom, this is the bottom design. I'm sure my camera is again not focusing. They've like given a stiff thing so that it stays in, and on the other side the stitching or the embroidery finish work is very nice. The stitching is very neat, and on the inner side they've given this beautiful softest satin fabric. They have even done the beading work, which solves the problem. This part is pretty huge, so it's going to fit up to 42 to 44 inches of waist size. And there is no pre-cancan attached, but they have included this cancan sheet, which looks of a very good quality. I'm again going to give a close-up picture of this. So you can get it stitched from your local tailor. I suggest you to get it stitched below your knee, because that's where it is going to give you like a perfect lift, and you don't have to wear an extra underskirt or cancan skirt. Next, the dupatta. It's a two-tone dupatta, and the fabric here is pure nazneen, very soft, and to the extreme ends they've given this beautiful wire kind of a lace. Again, the lace looks very nice, very neatly made. The length of this again is around 2.5 meter, which is their normal standard size of JOMSO, and very soft. It's going to stand like the way you want. I think for this lehenga you can skip wearing a dupatta also.
Never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be.
Next, getting into the comparison, this is the picture shown in the website, and what I received is almost the same. Even the detailing, neck detailing, they've provided the ruffle detailing sleeves, which is Georgette fabric. Even the dupatta, even the border or the lace detailing of dupatta looks exactly like this, and I really love the fabric. The color is also very unique and nice. The only thing is I have only received one latkan. I think they forgot to place another one, which I'm really okay. So I would like to rate it 5 out of 5. Pretty good. It is a very nice lehenga for like small parties or weddings. About the price, guys, the original price of this was 4,690 rupees and the discounted price is just 2,349. In case if you want to shop this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or else you can directly go to www.jomso.com and type this product code. You can see the product. Now they do have cash on delivery option. They do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge. And in case if you don't like a product, or if you receive a defective product, the return policy is also very simple. What you'll have to do is, within 7 days of receiving the product, you'll have to mail them and they're going to arrange for a return. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's review video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.